I'm checking to see if this Electrolux power head works. You can use house current 110 and you can just jumper wire across here and test it. You don't need the vacuum. So I've got a jumper right here, and you got to be very careful not to short out both sides. I just want to see if it's actually working, and you don't want to touch these together. And I'll plug it in and then it'll be live. Okay, let's test it out. Better make sure I unplug this right now. Okay, I unplugged it. Sounds good. It's got lots of hair in there wound in, so I'll take that apart and we'll clean it up. We'll see what's going on there. The inside doesn't look dusty at all. The bearings are in good shape. They're not seized. They're spinning nicely. You can just pull the cap. That has to be cleaned in there. And this side pulls off. You just have to see, it's got a X there. And we'll get rid of all that hair in there. Just have to clean this off a little bit here. Okay, I'm going to cut the hair off. Sometimes it's wound around there, and that's where you want to get it away from winding on the bearings. And when you're done, you can just wipe it down with a damp cloth. What you don't want to do is you don't want to set this in the water, because these bearings have already been packed with grease from the factory. So I just got a wet cloth, and I'm just going to give this thing a little bit of a wiping. And that's about all you do to this. While I got the water out, I might as well give this thing a little bit of a wiping on the inside. And of course I'll do the top too. I'll do under there. And then I'll put it all back together. That one's ready to go. Oh, there's There's a little bit of hair. Good thing it wasn't wound around in there though. Okay, just grab the belt. Yeah, there's wind chimes and pianos out here. And just set it in there like that. And it's set in place. Just give it a few turns. Oh, maybe this isn't right. Yeah, there, that's better. You don't want that sticking out there. It's all set. I just have to put the cover on. Oh, I'm gonna put this piece on. I'll put the cover back on. And we'll put the two screws back in there, please. And it'll hold the hold it all together. Test it for the last time. These two wires are live now. Make sure I unplug it.
Does this turn when you did that?
Yeah, well here. Can you see it in the video? Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to try this one more time. I can see the brushes are moving.
Oh yeah.